Okay, hello traders. Thanks for joining me here. Thanks for watching this live trading session, this live trading webinar. Maybe today we'll talk about gold, about yen shorts, about maybe US dollar longs or something, because the dollar index has maybe activated an upside continuation or something. But first of all, as always, please read the risk disclaimer. It's important for you to understand the risks when trading on Forex, on traders. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. And also, it's important for you to understand the risks before maybe trading on Forex, on the financial markets, on CFDs, on cryptocurrencies, maybe on indexes, commodities. So please read it. And don't forget, guys, that you can still use this coupon code only maybe today. It will expire in a few hours. Maybe this code coupon December at the checkout to get a 30% discount if you want to become a VIP member. And don't forget that if you want to become a VIP member, and if you'll become a VIP member, accessing the link posted right below this video, you will also get access for free for 1 month to the crypto VIP channel, and also you'll get free access for 1 month to the swing trading group, to that VIP group. Okay, so please guys, I'm waiting also for questions, for messages, and also if you want me to take a look on a specific market. But first of all, yeah, let's talk about the dollar index right now. So I've told you earlier today that maybe 96.44 is seen as a static resistance levels, as an upside obstacle, and I've told you that a very breakout above it could signal potential further growth. So I've sent you guys into the VIP channel today my analysis, and I've talked about something like this, about this scenario after retesting this outside sliding line here. Breakout through the upper medium line, breakout through the sliding line, and retest, and I've told you that a new higher high, very breakout maybe, or a breakout above 96.44 could signal potential upside continuation, and I've told you that an upside continuation here could force the US dollar to appreciate versus its rivals, guys, right? So let's take a look. Euro USD right now. So strong sell-off here in Euro US dollar today. Yeah, very important sell-off today after its failure maybe to come back towards the weekly pivot point. And right now it has reached the weekly S1, also the lower medium line of the minor ascending pitchfork. Here is failure to stabilize above the medium line, signaled that maybe the rebound is over, and that maybe the euro versus US dollar could drop deeper. Also you can see here that the euro versus US dollar registered only a false breakout with great separation actually here above the 1.1373, signaled that the sellers are still strong. First of all, we stuck on gold short at exotic log. Hello. That position, my position in gold, is still valid despite that rebound. Maybe it was normal and natural, expected. Maybe after its strong sell-off, it has bounced back, rebounded. Maybe it's trying to retest the immediate resistance levels, upside obstacles before moving in our direction. Also, don't forget that if you're not a VIP member, I've sent earlier also my trade in US dollar versus the Japanese US dollar versus the Japanese yen. So you can still catch that trade, high probability trade, if you'll become a VIP member by accessing the link posted right below this video. And I've told you guys that also you can use that code December at the checkout. So one moment, because I will also send you guys that code. December. So I've sent you guys also that code, that coupon into the YouTube chat. You can use it. What do you think about silver? Yeah, we'll talk about silver as well. One piece. There have a falling wedge in time frame. I don't know. Okay. I will take a look on all markets, and right now let's finish here with euro versus US dollar, and I will also try to take a look on your messages to answer to your questions. Okay, so here the bias remains bearish, guys, here in euro versus US dollar, and as long as the dollar index continues to grow, this pair could approach and reach maybe new lows, and maybe taking out the lower medium line, the S1 could signal potential drop towards this former low, 1.1186. Right now I don't have something, only because maybe it will I don't know, move sideways in the short term. We have maybe something like a range pattern here, and I believe that only something like this downside breakout could signal a larger downside movement here on euro versus the US dollar. Right? CAD Swiss franc bearish harmonic in 4 hour, please explain. Primate Monk, yeah, maybe I will take a look on that market as well, but first of all I want to finish with maybe majors, indexes, cryptocurrencies, commodities. So British pound versus the US dollar on a temporary rebound. Here is failure to stabilize above the weekly pivot point 1.30 sell off right now, only because the dollar index rallied, and the bearish is still buy, the bias is still bearish, guys. Here you can see here that only it has retested this immediate downtrend line, false breakout, bearish engulfing, and right now a sell-off here. And maybe if the dollar index will continue to grow, and if the pair will continue to drop, maybe it will approach and reach again the medium line of the descending pitchfork, maybe the S1. Let's wait, but don't forget that we have here 1.3208 as immediate support, downside obstacle, guys, right? US dollar, Japanese yen. As you already know, personally I've sent my trade, a high probability trade, a VIP trade, only for the VIP members into the VIP group. So you can still cash this trade if you will become a VIP member. So I will not talk here about the US dollar, Japanese yen, only because personally I've sent a short video into the VIP group talking about my rationale here, and also my thought process here, and also I've talked about my setup in US dollar, Japanese yen, right? US dollar, Canadian dollar, yeah, a strong sell-off after its failure here to take out this resistance, static resistance, upside obstacles 1.2836, gap down, and then it has resumed its sell-off, a new lower low here, aggressive breakdown through 1.27 and 20. So right now US dollar, Canadian dollar is still the sell right now, and only because this pair dropped it, guys, despite dollar index's rally, only because if you remember, we had the better than expected Canadian data on Friday. Yeah, and I've told you, let's take a look here on the economic calendar. I've told you on Friday that maybe the Canadian dollar could take the lead, could appreciate versus its rivals. Yeah, so yeah. One moment, I will take a look on some of my trades here. Yeah. So I've told you maybe only a temporary rebound in gold. Adam Queen. Looking potential upward movement in US dollar, Swiss franc, TP, or possibly. Yeah. So first of all, let's take a look here on the economic calendar, and let's talk about the Canadian dollar. So I've told you on Friday that the Canadian unemployment rate, amazing drop here from 6.7 percent to 6.0%, unexpected drop, far below 6.6% expected. Also the employment change better than expected, forced the Canadian dollar to appreciate. We had this, but only false breakout here above 1.2836, and then the US dollar, Canadian dollar drop it deeper, yeah, after its failure to stabilize above the pivot point, above to make a new higher high, to make a valid breakout, or to stabilize above the medium line. So US dollar, Swiss franc for Adam Queen. Thank you, Adam. And don't forget, guys, that don't forget to like this video here right now. It will be highly appreciated. It will be helpful for me into the YouTube algorithm. So we had a strong rally here, right? Something like a sideways movement. Here only a false breakdown and great separation below the lower medium line. Here a breakout above the medium line, a retest, and right now it has found resistance again at 0.9266, right? Today we had something like this. Personally, I wanted maybe to send a long setup here, signal or trade, to share my trade maybe in US dollar versus the Swiss franc, but I didn't wanted to go long here, only because I've had this former high 0.9266 resistance, static resistance. Okay, so we had something like this, this flag, this channel continuation pattern here today. That's why maybe I wanted guys to go long here maybe, but unfortunately we have this static resistance, the upside obstacle here in US dollar versus the Swiss franc. We had this rally in US dollar versus the Swiss franc because we had that rally on the dollar index. So the dollar index's rally forced this pair to grow as well. We have something like a strong correlation, positive correlation between the dollar index and the US dollar versus the Swiss franc, but let's wait to see how the price, the pair will react here around 0.9266. Maybe the bias is still bullish in the short term as long as it stays above 0.9252, above the weekly R1 0.9247. Okay, let's wait. Also, let's take a look again on the dollar index, because if we'll have something like a retreat, you can see here that the dollar index reached, guys, the first, or actually this is the 150% Fibonacci line, dynamic resistance. So a temporary drop here, maybe the dollar index will come back to retest the 96.44. A temporary drop could force the US dollar versus the Swiss franc to drop as well, but the bias is still bullish here, and yeah, further growth here, an upside continuation on the dollar index could force maybe the US dollar versus the Swiss franc to grow, to continue its growth as well. So US dollar, Swiss franc. So Adam, TP 9322, 9322. It remains to see. In the short term, we cannot exclude maybe a temporary drop, maybe towards the R1 again, before jumping, or a sideways movement. But I've told you that personally I didn't want it to go long here, only because I have this this resistance around 0.9266. Okay, and here in the short term, let's take a look also on 30 minutes, sorry. These are, guys, action and reaction lines. Maybe if you want, maybe I will record maybe a trading tutorial talking about this kind of action and reaction lines. I will show you maybe how to use them. Yeah, in trading, in Forex trading. So let's wait and see. Maybe the price will fail to stabilize above this line, yeah, or this could be only a temporary drop before resuming its growth. Let's wait and see what will really happen here on US dollar versus the Swiss franc. New Zealand dollar. see we have short position in gold and it is not falling, a bit worried. If you want to follow my trades, it's fine. If you don't want to follow my trade, it's fine as well. So I'm not a financial advisor. I will not tell you what to do. If you want to follow a trade, to follow my trade management, it's fine. If you don't want to, so it's fine as well. Yeah. So let's continue with New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Let's take a look here on 4 hour. Yeah, it has found some support demand here around and right below 0.6754, but I don't know what to say. The pressure continues to be high here. The sellers are still strong as long as it stays below 0.6772, maybe former low here. Maybe it has only retested this level, maybe before dropping deeper or something, but now, right now I don't have something on this market, and yeah, in the short term, temporary rebounds, bounce back is natural after this swing after this amazing downtrend, after this amazing downside movement. Yeah, I told you. So for those who took that trade in gold, I've told you that trade in gold is still valid. I've told you that, and when I'll have something, if I'll decide to, please guys, no one is forcing you here to open trades if you don't want to or if you don't understand them. You're right. Personally, I'm here. I'm here to share my trades, to share my analyses. If you want to follow a trade, it's fine. If you don't want to follow a trade, it's fine as well. So I've told you also that trade in gold was only for the VIP members, and maybe I will not talk about it, or maybe I will talk about it. But I will not show my setup here because yeah, it's still valid. And I've told you when I'll have something and when I want to US dollar, Mexican peso, we have been in negative since today. US dollar versus the Mexican peso is not my trade, it's Orlando's trade, and he will come back with his update, with his management, and also about my trades. As always, personally, when I'll manage a trade or something, as always, I will update the group, the VIP group as well. So if you want to follow my trade management, is fine. But for now, my trading gold is still valid, and yeah. You can do whatever you want with your trades, but for now, personally, I'm still keeping that trade in gold. Okay, yeah. So New Zealand dollar, US dollar, Australian dollar, US dollar, and then we'll talk also about yeah, a rebound, strong rebound here in Australian dollar, US dollar, guys. But don't forget that the price is almost to reach the weekly R1 0.7114, also the downtrend line. Let's see how the price, the pair will react here. Maybe something like this. We have a confluence area here at the intersection between these two upside obstacles, and a valid breakout through it could signal potential upside movement, a larger rebound, and maybe only a false breakout here through this confluence area. Only something like this, false breakout with great separation, test retest could signal that the pair could come back down. Okay, let's take a look. Gold, guys. Yeah, because it seems that you are interested in gold. So gold, in the short term, it has printed something like a channel here, but unfortunately it has found a strong resistance here at the weekly pivot point 1785.08 or something. Right now, guys, yeah, it has found maybe temporary support or something here around 1775.76. Here test retest of the weekly pivot point, sell off. Let's wait to see how the price will react here. Maybe because also something like this, yeah, on ascending pitchfork here. Test retest of the lower medium line. Rally, it has failed here to approach to reach the medium line. The medium line of the ascending pitchfork here, strong resistance at the weekly pivot point, 1784.87. Sell off here. It has closed it right below this level, former low, below 1775.76, and right now a rebound. Maybe I've told you that maybe the price of gold will only retest the lower medium line, the broken lower medium line of the ascending pitchfork. Actually, maybe it could also come back to retest the pivot point. So that's why I've told you that for now I will keep my trading gold. I will not do anything on that trade right now, only because the pressure is still high here after its failure to come back or to close above to make a value breakout above the weekly pivot point. And maybe if the dollar index will continue to grow, maybe after a temporary drop, also this minor retreat drop here, yeah, could force maybe the price of gold to rebound or something. But I've told you, personally, I will keep the trade. You can do whatever you want with your trades. I'm not a financial advisor. I will not tell you what to do. If you want to follow my trade management, it's fine. Okay. Silver. So let's take a look on silver, guys. I've told you that maybe I will look for something here around this this area, and I've talked about something like this here on silver. If you remember, I've talked about I don't know 5% drop here. In silver, if the price of silver will drop and close below 23.277, yeah, I've told you guys that we had something here like a range pattern. I've told you that escaping after all these false breakouts here above 23.694 could bring us downside breakout and 5% drop. So right now it has registered only false breakdowns here below 22.188. Let's wait and see. Maybe it could move sideways. It could continue to move sideways here. I don't have something really good. We have maybe something like range or something here. We can use this one here, and maybe silver could extend its sideways movement here. And I've told you that only maybe a strong bullish pattern maybe here around this area, around the S1. We have a major support demand zone here between 21.662, 21.899. So I'll wait for something here. I don't have something, but yeah, we had that 5% drop. You can also visit our exotic log, chill out, bro. We're just no. Personally, I'm very calm actually, but I don't want to see those kind of messages all the time when a trade, I don't know, drops a little, if we are long or something, if it's in the red, because yeah, the price could turn against us, but in the end it could move in our direction. It could approach and reach our take profits or something. So these things happen in trading. So yeah. And it's fine if you want to follow my trades or my trade management, is fine. But if you don't want to, Let's take a look. US 100. Yeah, a strong rally here, and I believe that Orlando has a long position in US 100 on the Nasdaq, which runs in strong profit right now on the US 100. So I believe he will come back with his updates on this market, on this trade. Yeah, a US 30 strong rally here as well. But I don't like the price action, so I don't have something really good right now on the US 30. Let's wait and see how the US equities or the US 30, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, will react here. Because guys, personally, I'm updating the VIP group when I'll update a trade, when I'll decide to manage a trade, when I'll decide to move my stop loss, when I'll decide to take a partial, to take I don't know. So yeah, all the time I'm updating the VIP group with my trade management, with all the steps. Yeah. So also my trade in for the VIPs, my trade in my pending order actually in US dollar Japanese yen is still valid, and for those who are not VIP members, you can still catch that trade. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So Dow Jones Industrial Average, let's wait and see how the index will react here around the downtrend line. Okay, because I don't know, making a false breakout, a bearish pattern here could signal a downside movement, a new retreat, only because maybe if the dollar index will continue to grow, maybe the US equities could drop a little or something, but let's wait, because something like this, valid breakout, test, retest, a temporary drop, maybe something like a pattern here or above the downtrend line could bring us new long opportunities or something here in Dow Jones. Yeah, US 500. Yeah, strong rally. I don't have something really good right now here, only because it's too late to go long on the US equities right now. But here as well, a breakout and maybe a temporary drop, test, retests could bring us something again. You literally sell signals, people are mad, you keep losing. They want winning signals, don't know why you mad. You're getting money from everything, losing money. I'm not mad, yeah. Actually, I'm only tired, but as I've told you, we are not sending signals, we are not selling signals, yeah. So Ben, we are not sending signals, we are only sharing our trades, yeah. Personally, I'm not a financial advisor, so I am not selling signals, I'm not sending signals. So yeah, if you want to follow my trade, it's fine. If you don't want to follow them, it's fine as well. Yeah. So US 500. Personally, maybe I'll wait for the temporary drop here, something like this. Yeah. And also, even if you are an experienced trader, yeah, you can lose. Yeah, in this on trading, in trading, even if you are an experienced trader, you make mistakes. Even if you are an experienced trader, maybe you will have, I don't know, bad months, bad weeks. You will lose, I don't know, several trades. But yeah, because the past performance or is not, I don't know, reliable indicator for future results or something, because yeah, the conditions change or something, or maybe I don't know, everything is different. We cannot predict the future, but yeah, Is it late to go long with US 100? Raul Rodriguez Lara. So I've told you that Orlando already sent you guys for the VIPs. I believe that he has a long position in US 100. So maybe you should wait for a new and the fresh setup. Yeah, Vince, with proper risk management, it doesn't matter if a trade goes in the red for a while or even for it to hit stop loss. It's the nature of trading. Yeah. Yeah, personally, also I've told you that I will keep my trade in gold, even if it's in the red right now. Only because right from the beginning, that's why I've selected that stop loss. That's my invalidation level. If the price turns against me and if it reaches my stop loss, it's fine, because it will my trade will be closed with a small loss. Yeah, and I believe that I'm risking on that. One moment, I will take a look. I believe I'm risking on that gold 0.59%, so 0.6%, yeah, far below 1% risk on that trade, so it's fine. Even if the price turns against me, reaches my stop loss, it's fine, because I'm risking only 0.59% of my account, far below 1% of my trading account, so it's fine. Yeah. Okay, Raul Rodriguez Lara, it is late to go along with US 100. Let's take a look again. But as I've told you, Orlando sent you guys his actually I believe that Orlando sent his long position, his trade. He shared his trade yesterday, I believe, during his live webinar or something. So yeah, if you watched his show, his webinar, maybe you are long right now in US 100, yeah, and you are in big profit. Actually, I will take a look. So I will take a look, because I believe that Orlando sent his trade. So Nasdaq US 100. So 15,820. So 15,000. Actually, I will. So 15,820. So if you will take a look on the VIP group, you will see that Orlando had a buy stop here around 15,820. Yeah, and TP, maybe the price reached no. Actually, I will not show you the TP because this, I believe, it was only a VIP trade. Yeah. So this it was his buy stop 15,820, and a strong rally right now. So if you took that trade, if you followed his trade, and right now you are in deep profit, right? So this is, and that's why Raul Rodriguez Lara, maybe it's too late to do something here, because this trade, his trade will approach and reach the take profit. But maybe after a temporary drop, if you'll wait for a temporary drop retreat, you can catch a new long opportunity. Okay, let's talk about DAX 13, and then we'll talk about a strong rally. Maybe we had something, but yeah, now it's too late to go long in the German stock index. How can I find Orlando? When Orlando sends something into the groups, into the VIP group, you will see his name right under that content. Yeah, and you can't talk with us directly. If you want something, you can email support. They will reply. They will come back to you guys. So we don't talk directly on Telegram or Instagram or something. So if you want something, if you have maybe more questions, you can email support and they will come back to you. Yeah. Let's talk about, before we'll talk about the Japanese yen, before maybe we'll catch something in the Japanese yen, let's talk about Bitcoin. So, yeah, only a false breakdown, great separation below the 61.8, below the lower medium line, rebound, and I've told you maybe guys in my previous session on Friday that maybe something like this, if the price will jump and stabilize above the medium line, could signal potential larger growth, but I don't know, personally I will stay away. Maybe we had something here, breakout above 49,777.62. Also it has ignored the 50,000 psychological level. So right now maybe I'll wait for something like a sideways movement for the price to come back to retest the medium line before jumping higher. I'll wait for a continuation pattern or for something before considering maybe going long on Bitcoin again. Ethereum strong rally as well, and also here maybe I'll wait for a temporary drop before catching something. Maybe it's risky to buy it here right below 4455.33, also below the first warning line. Amazing sell-off here, only false breakdown, great separation below the lower medium line, below the first warning line, and maybe personally I believe that its sell-off drop ended, and I believe that maybe a sideways movement, a valid breakout here above the warning line could bring us something, but right now after such a strong rally here I don't want to go long. Thank you as well. Private Monk, Ethereum is in ascending channel. I don't know. I don't know, something like this. So this is your ascending channel, Primate Monk. So I told you, personally I'll wait for something because let's take a look if we'll draw something here. We are also right below this immediate downtrend line. So I don't believe you want to go long here right below these immediate resistance levels because it could drop, but an upside breakout, valid breakout or something could signal potential growth here in Ethereum. Okay, let's talk also about the Japanese yen. It's important to talk about the Japanese yen. One moment. Yeah, also Eurocad. Unfortunately, I've closed my trade here, my short trade here in Eurocad. So I've had something like I don't know, sell stop around 1.4426, and I've closed my short around I don't know, 1.2422 or something, only because So we had this support, and I've told you guys that, yeah, maybe it was a mistake only because we had this strong sell-off. So in the first place, I've placed a short position after this sell-off. We had that rebound, but its failure here to approach to reach the former low signaled a potential new drop, maybe at least towards this this support zone, 1.4411 or something. Here we had only a false breakdown and great separation. So personally, I didn't wanted to keep that trade open, so I've closed my trade with a small profit. But maybe I should have waited for the price to, I don't know, to make a value breakdown or something, for the price to give me something here at yeah, I've had that trade for several days, and I didn't want it to keep it, only because it has reached here support again, false breakdown, great separation, and I told you that I will manage my position, because we cannot exclude maybe something like a temporary or actually a new leg higher from this support. Yeah, it was maybe a mistake, because right now it was a mistake maybe, but I've told you that I don't want to risk on that trade, only because yeah, we were at support, and yeah, that position would have reached my take profit, right, on Eurocad. Yen basket, let's take a look. So yen basket, strong sell-off. Strong sell-off, and the pressure is still high here after dropping below the upside line of this channel. Something like this. So personally, I believe that maybe a deeper drop here on the yen basket could maybe force the yen to depreciate. So maybe I will look for yen shorts. Okay, 6J Japanese yen futures. Here something like double top, false breakout again above 0.008873, and I've told you that I don't know, maybe we'll have something like a pattern here, a range or a double top, and maybe a new lower low, actually dropping, closing, and stabilizing below, right below today's low, right below 0.008789, could signal a potential deeper drop, and the potential deeper drop here could force the yen to depreciate. And we'll take a look also on yen pairs. Here the Nikkei, the Japanese stock index rally could force the yen to depreciate. Yeah, so let's start. GBP Japanese yen. So GBP Japanese yen. Sell off right now after reaching the weekly R1, but this could be maybe on a temporary drop. So I've told you guys that maybe I will look for shorting the yen, maybe going long on the British pound versus the Japanese yen, on the euro versus the Japanese yen, on I don't know, Canadian dollar Japanese yen, Australian dollar Japanese yen, New Zealand dollar Japanese yen. Yeah, so this could be on a temporary drop. I'll wait to see how the price will react, maybe here around the pivot point. Yeah, right now it challenges, it tests, retests maybe the medium line of the ascending pitchfork. Let's wait and see. Maybe we'll have something soon here in the British pound Japanese yen. And when I don't have something like high probability trade, like a good setup with a great risk reward ratio. Maybe actually I will stay away, and yeah. Euro Japanese yen sideways movement, so I don't have something right now on this pair. But don't forget that 127.48 is seen as downside target, is seen as support, strong support, and maybe a bullish pattern here could signal a new leg higher or something. But we also need, yeah, the Canadian dollar was strongly bullish. I told you that after the Canadian unemployment rate dropped unexpectedly lower, also employment change better than expected, reported on Friday, forced the Canadian dollar to appreciate. So that's why we had this rally here. But I don't know, I don't want to go long here because yeah, we have all these former lows here as resistance levels, but maybe something like a temporary drop. Personally, actually, I want to see something like this before jumping higher, but also we need the confirmation on the Japanese yen basket, also on the Japanese yen futures. So rebound Australian dollar Japanese yen, but we are right below the upper medium line, and I don't want to go long there. New Zealand dollar Japanese yen, it has failed to stabilize right below 76.43, 76.33, but I don't know, right now, as long as it stays right below 77.04, and we have something like this, maybe like an up channel, and this up channel, guys, could represent, I don't know, downside continuation pattern or something. So I'll wait to see how the pair will react here. Also, yeah, this former low, 77, actually 77 psychological level as a key level. Let's see how the pair will react here. Yeah. So New Zealand or Japanese yen, primate monk. So this is my opinion here. Personally, I'll wait for something because the pressure is still high. And personally, I didn't had something like a strong. Yeah, maybe we had something here. We had this this low here, key level, historical level. Only false breakdown, and here we had a pattern. But maybe in the short term I'll wait for something, I don't know, for a temporary drop, retreat, sideways movement, consolidation, accumulation before I don't know, taking action, because I told you this pattern, this up channel could represent only downside continuation pattern formation. Okay, and let's wait to see how the pair will react here around 77 psychological level, 77.04 or something. Don't forget to like this this video, guys. US oil. And if you have maybe more questions, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, personally I believe that Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, I will take a look also on that market. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. One moment for Yeah. Okay, so no, I will delete everything. Okay, and personally I don't have this market on my watch list. I'm not trading this market. I don't know, something like an extended sideways movement here. Strong rally, strong rebound, only because we have a strong Canadian dollar. Bullish engulfing here. Maybe we had something here on Friday, or I don't know. We had something like a pattern, aggressive breakout, something like a channel. Bullish engulfing, breakout, maybe on the 1 hour retest. Yeah. Breakout, retest, new higher high. Maybe we had an opportunity here, but right now it's too late to go long, even if the pair with the price will continue to grow. Only because we are right below these former lows here. Okay, guys. So temporary drop here registered by the dollar index after its amazing rally. So the 150% Fibonacci line as resistance, dynamic resistance, and only value breakout above it could signal an upside continuation here on the dollar index. Could maybe signal that I don't know, the dollar could take the lead again. But right now, as long as dollar index drops, yeah, we cannot exclude maybe temporary drops. I don't know, towards this level 96.37, because yeah, we had a spike here, false breakouts, and this level was seen as an upside obstacle. So yeah, it could come back towards this level before jumping higher or something. We'll have to wait to see what will really happen. Okay, guys, it seems that you don't have maybe more questions. Yeah. So I'm still keeping that pending order in US dollar Japanese yen. And if you are not a VIP member, you can still catch that trade, high probability trade. I will not show you the setup, but I will tell you this. Yeah, we had also a new false breakout here above 113.70, but as I've told you earlier today, the price could only retest. I've told you into the VIP group that the price could only retest the medium line of the descending pitchfork. And I don't know, in the end, if the price will finally, if the price will stabilize above the air one, I don't know, above these former highs. If it will maybe make value breakout here, it could signal potential further growth. But yeah, temporary drops are expected, natural also here after this amazing rally. Yeah, so I'm still keeping that pending order in US dollar Japanese yen, and also I will still keep my trade in gold. And if I'll have something in gold, if I'll decide to do something with that trade, or yeah, I will come back with my update, trade management into the VIP group. And also, if the price reaches my stop loss, it's fine. I'm risking only, I've told you that I'm risking only 0.6 59%, 0.59%, 0.6 or something on this on that trade. Yeah, okay, thank you, guys. Don't forget that as always, personally, I'm coming back with updates into the VIP group. I'm talking about my trades, my setups. I will record the video later today as well. And also I will come back with more analysis, trades later. Yeah, thank you, guys.